On this question, we have a complicated looking expression, and we're being asked for W in terms of the other variables. So in other words, just get W alone. So the first thing we're going to want to do to get W alone is get this radical alone. That radical there is being multiplied by 2. So let's just divide by 2. Now, dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by 1 over that number if it's an integer. So dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1 over 2. So that'll cancel, and now we have our radical by itself equals this whole expression, which before we bring it down, we should simplify it. We should say, well, we have a factor of 2 on the top, factor of 2 on the bottom. Dividing by 2, this becomes 1. Dividing by 2, this becomes 7. And we have another simplification. We have a 7 on the top, a 7 on the bottom. 7 over 7 is the same as 1. So those two things cancel as well. And so the answer is simply going to be x over y on that side. Now that we have the radical isolated, we can square both sides. So let's just rewrite it. And let's square both sides. And that'll give us x squared over y squared equals w plus 19. And if we want w by itself, we can now just take away the 19, and we'll get w equals the x squared over y squared minus 19, which is answer choice C in this situation.